Hello everybody, it's Driver Diaries time. Clap. How are we all doing tonight, guys? Welcome back. I have no idea what this episode number is because I lost track. Oh, come on. I've been waiting here for 10 minutes now to get out of here. It's mad. So, whilst I can look at my warm box, next car, force myself. Oh, car's too close. Next gap and I'm going.
Turn right.
Oh, I'm gonna turn right. Give me a chance. So guys, we are heading to London today. If you watched the end of the last episode, you will know that. We are heading to London, which is going to be cool. Get to have a proper look at London. We've got, as you can see, there's fresh fish 18 tons. You know, a bit nice to go back because I've got some paperwork I need to sign, and I have some news about a potential subcontractors offer that I'm going to go talk about from a man. I'm going to talk to a man who is based in Stockton on Tees. Now, if you know the ETS2 community and the VTC community, you'll know who that is. And that is a good friend of mine. Actually, he's been a good mate for years, for many years. Absolute top quality bloke. Proud to call him my friend. I really am proud to call him my friend. Today I want to talk about something. Just for a reference, it's 21:26 in the evening, night, maybe you want to call it. It's 14th of 12th, 2019, so this was recorded last year. Literally. 2 mornings ago, I'm on my paper round. Sorry, yesterday morning. Yesterday morning, so the 13th, Friday the 13th. I was on my paper round.
Keep right, and then turn right.
I delivered to quite a lot of elderly people on my route. My route is mainly elderly people.
Turn right.
Always greet them with a smile on their face, but I was walking up to a house, one of my deliveries, and I was going up there, and then I was about to put the paper in the letterbox, and the front door opened. And behind it was my customer. Absolutely top bloke. Served in the army, you know. Lives by himself. He's old and frail because he's got war wounds. And I don't know what they are. I didn't ask, and to be truthful, I didn't want to know. So I was delivered the paper, the front door opened, and he sat behind it. He lives in his front room, his bed's in his front room, his TV and everything's in his front room because he's old, he can't use an alarm mobile. And he was on the floor. He fell out of bed at about midnight. It was lucky he didn't know himself or nothing, you know, his shoulder was a bit sore, but it's always unfortunately going to be sore because of the injuries. And he'd phoned for an ambulance. All he needed was an ambulance or a care provider to come and pick him up off the floor. So I'm getting on my papers, it's about 8:15 in the morning, and he was still on the floor. He managed to unlock and open the front door thinking that I was the ambulance or care provider. And it wasn't, it was me, so it kind of made me jump. When I seen him, I made him jump. So I calmed him down and I was like, "Are you okay?" And he said, "I'm really embarrassed, but I fell out of bed." And I was like, "Okay, do you want to talk me up?" And he was like, "Actually, yeah, can you? Because I phoned for an ambulance." I was like, "I'm potentially fall out of bed." And he was like, roughly about midnight. I just turned over. I was having a restless night because he suffers from PTSD and all that. He was having a rough night, so he just rolled over. And unfortunately, he ran out of bed. There was the floor beam, but the quilt managed to wrap itself around him and put the floor. So I got him up just as a car come flying in past me into his drive. And this bloke wasn't. Turns out he's the son of the bloke, and the ambulance people phoned him an hour before that to say that his dad was in trouble. stopped holding on to his dad and holding his dad up. So we get him sat back down. The lady begins to say, "You okay, Mr. Tilly? Like, I see there was an active call right last night." And he goes, "Oh, you can cancel that ambulance from the call now because the paperboy just picked me up." And she was like, "Okay." So she has to talk to me, and I was like, "Yeah, he's okay. I've already done all of that." And she was like, "Okay, I'm going to cancel the call." I was like, "Okay." Cheers. So son sat me down. He thought I was the caregiver. And he asked me who I was. I said, "I'm the baby boy. My bag's hanging, my big fluorescent orange bag's hanging on the rail outside your dad's house." And he went, "Oh, I thought that was a medical bag." And I was like, No, I'm the baby boy, mate." He was like, "How do you know my dad?" I was like, "Because I deliver my baby in the morning." And he was like, "Oh, thanks for picking him up and just talking to me and everything." But the point I'm getting at with this story is that, there's, because of all these cutbacks, because of the various, people within government have been putting money back to, obviously money, means to, money cutback means there's no money to employ people, which means thanks, Laurie, thank you. There's not enough people to go to active 999 jobs that are serious, let alone come out to an elderly man who nearly gave his life for the Queen and the country. And it really upset me. Because I was going to record this episode yesterday, but I couldn't because the bloke was the only thing that was on my mind. I was concentrating. I couldn't, I was just thinking about him. So I popped in this morning and said hello to him. And I was like, "You really okay?" He was like, "Yeah, I'm good, thanks for picking me." Just talk to him. It's just make time. What I'm getting at is, like I said, with the money cutbacks, everything, and the staff shortages and everything. We all read about it on the papers, we all see it on social media. Let's not be about the bullshit, we all see it every day. But it isn't something you actually think about until you're there in that position. I thought at one point I'd have to ring 999 for him, but I didn't have to. Someone needs to pick him up by myself, which is a cool thing. I'm immensely proud of myself for doing it, because normally trying to shy away from things like that, but yeah, the man needed help.
speed.
somebody or a bag of weed, or because he flew it with somebody's girlfriend. It's like, these are the petty excuses I've been reading about in the papers I deliver. And there was a stabbing the other night in Birmingham.
Caution. Please watch the speed.
I am in Tipton, I think it was, that a drug dealer had enough and the bloke wouldn't pay him.
Keep left.
So he stabbed him twice in the heart to prove a point. You know. There's another one in Wolverhampton where a non-English girl liked an English lad. I have to be very careful about how I word this, and they were in a secret relationship with each other, and the non-English girl's dad found out about it, and he tried to chop the English lad's penis off, and instead went for the inside of his leg and stabbed him on the inside of his leg. You know. And that took 2 helicopters, an advanced paramedic, 2 ambulance rapid response paramedic, an advanced care and critical care paramedics, 2 ambulances, a armed police unit, and 3 police cars. And I know that because when I saw them, 3 up as a police officer, and she told me that herself, because we was talking, me and my dad were talking about, while we was talking, and she came in because she was going to car and she wanted us to take a look at it, and she asked what I was doing, and I said, I was just saying to my dad that I'd rather be at home fat, sitting and playing on my computer every day than going out and getting stabbed. And that's when she told us the story. And it's like, do you know what I mean? It's, you know, that's 2 helicopters, that's 2 pilots, 6 paramedics, and advanced, 2 doctors, sorry. 2 pilots, 4 doctors, an advanced care paramedic, a critical care paramedic, 2 ambulances, so that's 3 helicopters, that's 6, advanced paramedic, that's 1, critical care paramedic, that's 1, so that's 8. 2 ambulances for 4, so that's 12.
Keep left.
An armed police unit, which is 3, so that's 15. And 2 police officers, so 17 people to deal with the fact that a non-English person stabbed an English person. Yeah, and yet there's a lonely poor person. But all they need is just help to get back into bed or get to the chair or something. One person 15 minutes or 17 people for 3 hours, we'll call it. Yeah, work that out. So 17 people for 3 hours.
At the roundabout.
Versus
Take the
1
third
person
exit.
for 15 minutes. Yeah. Work that out.
Exit now.
Work that out. Because that's wrong. So wrong. people who fight for Korean country, they put everything on the line for us, and it's unfortunately many
Right.
make the ultimate sacrifice. Anybody who serves for the Queen is a hero. She's quite happy to get a war hero who lost friends in combat, has shrapnel in him, be on a cold floor for 7 hours while you're having to deal with some stupid stabbing over something so stupid. Now work that out. Like I said, pause this video for 5 minutes and think about what I just said. his son wouldn't have been told. I wouldn't have been there. That means he would have had to wait. He was lucky that his son was just behind me, but still, getting on for 7 hours on the floor, that's just wrong. It's wrong. You can't put those middle as it's just back out of order. It's really how we treat our movement. But not just veterans, whether it be a veteran or, you know, just a
Keep left and then
elderly
turn
person.
left.
Is that how we treat the elderly? Is that really how we do treat the elderly?
Turn left.
Because if so, I'm disgusted in my country. I'm disgusted out my country, I should say.
Get ready to turn left.
Some of you probably won't even realise what I'm talking about, not really listen.
Turn left.
That's fine, I understand. But just think about it for a minute.
This is where it ends.
If you're going to give it to me like that, I'll take it. There we go. Thank you to everybody for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.